Spaz cats are here.
Now. Bad-eyed brain. I needs Munsey's.
Clara has worked at the box factory her entire life. Until the Mr. Penitars came into her life. She falls in space cats. She must now rescue her person from space cats.
I make boxes but I loaf you my person.
Let's Kwiss.
Oh, now I know. Thanks. You dino. I must kill the space cats. Bumby and bum 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 bum.
Why that sucks. Brain, I need all the Munseys.
Well then. Mark has 10 bed rats. He does everything with his bed rats. When the space cats take his bed rats, he must punch Paul the rabbit and kill the space cats. Bed rats, what do you want for dinner?
Oh no.
You took my bed rats. Now you must die.
You are really bad at this?
I know. How about space cats?
That is great.
Yay. Yay hey hey.
Meow meow meow.
Perfect.